Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to turn on two-step verification on Margex. Keeping your crypto account secure is most important than ever. If you use Margex for trading, enabling two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your account. So here is how you can enable it. First things first, open the Margex application on your device and log into your account. From the homepage of Margex, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and look for Google Authentication under Security. Tap on it, and on the next page, tap on the Download Google Authenticator option. This will take you to your Google Play Store or your App Store where you can easily download the Google Authenticator app. If you already have the application, make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Once you update the Google Authenticator app, launch it open and get back to the Margex application and tap Continue. On the next page, you'll see a code generated. Copy the code, get back to Google Authenticator app and tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Now click on Enter a setup key. Enter the setup key that you just copied from Margex inside your key tab, and in the account name, make sure to type in Margex so that you can recognize it later. Now select the type of the key, whether it is time-based or counter-based, and tap on Add at the very bottom. Soon after you do that, you will see Margex security code added inside the Google Authenticator app. Copy that code, get back to Margex app, tap on the square box and tap Continue and paste in the code that you just copied. Now click Confirm and you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on Margex application. Enabling two-factor authentication is one of the best ways to protect your crypto assets from unauthorized access. For maximum security, always keep your backup codes safe and avoid sharing your verification codes with anyone. Thanks for following the tutorial. Stay safe and happy trading.